Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that is about to go parabolic within the next few days, and also why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's pre-market analysis video, right after the intro. All right, y'all, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, all right? So let's get started right off the bat. We got a red day today. It was very, very nice. We collapsed, all right? Congratulations to everybody who were short sellers. Hopefully y'all got paid with those puts. Tech collapsed very, very well. And then it immediately rebounded throughout the other half of the day. Yeah, right now it's looking kind of bullish. I'm gonna be very, very honest. I think I initially wanted another red day. I really, really want to see another red day. Right now it's looking bullish, but the main question that you should be asking yourself is, for how long? All right. Do we go bullish all the way until here towards 41.85, maybe 41.90 before we get hit with another curveball like that? All right. So these are some things that you want to keep in mind as you are trading, but do enjoy the short-term fluctuations as volatility brings about opportunity. All right. So I will cover the SPY again in the next video. Now, for the stock of the video, the stock that is about to go parabolic, or I should say is going parabolic, is PLBY. All right. And PLBY, I answered somebody's question this morning. I told you, I have been telling y'all for a while, I'm not shorting Playboy until it goes parabolic. It's going parabolic, all right? And will I get my price of $75? I think I will. I think this thing is going to go so high very, very quickly, and it's about to make some noise on social media. So definitely keep this one on your watch list. All right. For all of you who are beginners, chasing this is not advice. This is not the video to go chase for the upside. No. This is where you chill. This is where you patiently wait. All right. And then this is where you watch closely for some weakness at the top. We're gonna catch this one at the top. This is gonna be so lucrative. So keep this one on your watch list for a continuation to the upside. I will cover this one in the near future when near the time where it's like about to collapse. So definitely keep this one on your watch list. The next one that's unfortunately about to go parabolic as well is one of the stocks that I've mentioned this morning, LPX. And LPX, I say that it's about to go parabolic because short sellers got squeezed, including myself. I was shorting this thing. All right, I was shorting this thing. It was doing pretty great over here, right? Because the reaction to earnings was not the best, even though they had decent earnings. The reaction wasn't the best, and I wanted this thing to immediately just flush out the gates and collapse. But instead, it showed me this. Try to be very patient, and it didn't want to collapse, so I got rid of it over here, right? And as of right now, the way this thing is looking, it wants to squeeze shorts. And the reason why I say that is because I am a short seller, right? I know how short sellers think. If I cover this one, because I know that it's gonna go higher, imagine the amount of people who are still holding and still hoping that this thing drops like tomorrow. If this thing opens higher, there's gonna be a lot of stop losses being triggered, and they're gonna have to cover those shares to short, and the stock is gonna go up even higher. This is the psychology of the market. All right. It is very unfortunate that it didn't behave as anticipated, but as short sellers, again, keep in mind that the higher it goes, the better this thing look. I will short this one again. All right, I will short this one again. Hopefully Hopefully it squeezes and gets all the way up to 90, maybe $95, right? Very, very, very quickly before I go in at the top and short it back down. But right now, this is looking pretty good for the longs for that potential short squeeze. Again, like I said, it's very unfortunate, but it happens. It happens to market. The next one that we're going to be addressing in this video, that stock is NEO. And NEO, for all of y'all who watched this morning's pre-market analysis video, congratulations on catching this one to the short side. Again, I told y'all the it was supposed to be a dead cat bounce, very minimal, kind of like what we had with EXPE, but it turned out to be quite big. All right, showed life, and then it immediately just like collapsed and died. All right, but right now it didn't go as low as I really wanted. I thought this thing could collapse all the way down to $36. Hopefully, some of y'all were not too greedy. Hopefully, some of y'all paid yourself on the way down, right? Because paying yourself is essential, right? So where is this thing going to go? If the market is bullish, then I do anticipate a consolidation between like 37 and 39. All right, within the next like few days. All right, just this consolidation here. More consolidation would be good for the stock before we see some type of momentum and some type of shift to the upside, because again, a lot of people are long-term investors and they will seize every opportunity to buy this thing at these lows right here and at these lows right here. And if there's another one at 36, like I initially thought, they will buy it again. All right. So that's my very honest opinion on NEO. It did phenomenal. EXPE, hopefully y'all were not too greedy with this one. All right, I said $26. It went to $27.60, $1 shy of my price target. But we will see how this one behaves again. All right, we will see. Hopefully y'all were not too greedy and took some money off the table. So we'll see how this one does. The next one that somebody asked about. Somebody have been asking about AMAT, right? And is AMAT good for a potential short? The shorting opportunity was there, and again, it really depends on what the overall market does. This one is supposed to follow the Dow Jones. It's supposed to be following the Dow Jones, kind of close to the T, but it's been following the tech industry with this collapse right here. So we will see. Does it have more room to the downside? Yes, it does. All right, it really does, all the way over here. But will it get there tomorrow? I highly doubt it. I think it's gonna consolidate some more and then maybe even roll over. It has earnings coming up on the 20th, which could be the deciding factor of whether this stock plummets or actually spikes up to 137 and squeezes up to new highs. All right, but earnings, I think, is gonna decide that factor. So until then, I think the stock is just gonna chill in this region right here. Let me make that smaller, right over here. It's just gonna be chilling in this region all the way until earnings, and then we'll see what happens next. But that's my very honest opinion on this one. The next one that I'm going to do a follow up on is WBA, and WBA. A lot of y'all freaked out in the comment section. I see y'all in the comment section. This thing gonna tank today. Hopefully y'all were not those individuals that sold here just to chase it later. All right, this was supposed to be a swing trade, and this does happen. Hopefully you sold here and got back in at the low. That will be nice. All right, but a lot of y'all been freaking out in the comments. I'm still bullish on this one. I think it's gonna go higher. The price target on this one is still the same. It's still over here at $57. This is not something that you want to be panicking. All right, panic selling in some of these plays not in your best interest at all. I think it's gonna keep going higher because this one, again, the Dow is neutral to bullish, and then the SPY is iffy. It's not making up its mind. Well, today it definitely did, but what about tomorrow? Again, we shall see about that. The next one that we're gonna talk about is Twitter, and Twitter is still not giving us it's not giving us a really solid reason to go long. It's still consolidating here in this box. Today it dropped and then it just stayed here at that level. We will see what happens tomorrow. I have this one on my watch list. I'm just patiently watching this thing just to see what it does. Eventually it will curl back up all the way up to $62. If you're a long-term investor, you shouldn't care. This is where you shine. You buy these dips and then you look away. You do whatever you want because you are a long-term investor and short-term fluctuations does not bother you at all. But for us traders, we seek opportunities at every single turn. That's what makes trading fun. All right, so that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon, and the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook as well, and Facebook. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. I know some of y'all have been asking about Dogecoin, all right? And Dogecoin, ever since I announced it at like 6 cents on Twitter, is going to hit $1. I have zero doubts in that. So in regards to that, again, that's where you want to be a long-term investor and just chill and just watch. All right, that's my very honest opinion of it. Enjoy the outro.